Understood what is the composition of two functions? Now we'll take one example for the composition of two functions. Let R be the set of real numbers. We are knowing, students, this thing. Let R be the set of real numbers if f from R to R denoted by, or we can say it is defined by, f of x is equal to x square, and g from R to R defined by g of x equals to 2x plus 1. Then find f composition g and g composition f. Okay. Also show that f composition g is not equal to g composition f. Okay. Now student, in this example here the domain and codomain for f is same. Here also for g function domain and codomain for f is same. Now for f composition g, I have told you that for the second function, now the g is the second function, its domain will be there. Now here all the four sets are equal, so no need to check whether the domain of the whether the codomain of the second function is equal to the domain of the first function. Okay. Now here for finding f composition g, that is f of g of x. Okay. Now f of g of x. Now what is g of x? G of x is 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. Now f of x is x square. So whatever the variable is there, we have to take its square. So 2x plus 1 whole square, that is equal to 4x square plus 4x plus 1. Okay. Now this is your f composition of g of x. Okay. Now for g composition f of x, we have g of f of x. Okay. Now what is f of x? F of x is x square. What is g of x? G of x is variable into 2 plus 1. So this is equals to variable, that is x square into 2 plus 1. Okay. So here f composition g of x is 4x square plus 4x plus 1, and here g composition f of x is 2x square plus 1. So clearly f composition g of x is not equal to g composition f of x. Okay. Any doubt in this? Now we'll take one example for the composition of two functions. Show that the function f from R to R defined by f of x is x upon x square plus 1 for all x belongs to R is neither 1 1 nor onto. We have to prove this condition. Also, if g from R to R is defined as g of x is 2x minus 1, find f composition of g of x. Okay. Now for proving 1 1 function, for x1 x2 belongs to the domain set R, we are considering f of x1 is equals to f of x2. We are putting the values x1 by x1 square plus 1, x2 by x2 square plus 1. Now we'll cross multiply. What we will get? x1 into x2 square plus x1 equal to x2 into x1 square plus x2. Now what we'll do? We'll take this all terms in the left side. What we are getting here also x2 x1, here also x1 x2. So we can take it common. x1 x2, x1 into x2 in bracket x2 minus x1 plus x1 minus x2 equal to 0. So from both can we take x1 x2 minus x1? So this sign will be getting changed. So x2 minus x1, if we are taking common from this, what we are getting? x1 into x2 minus 1 equal to 0. So what we are getting? Either this bracket equal to 0 or this bracket equal to 0. What we are getting? x1 equal to x2 or x1 into x2 equal to 1. Now let x1 equal to 2 and x2 equal to 1 by 2. Then f of x1 equals to f of x2. But 2 is not equal to 1 by 2. See student, what we have considered, f of x1 equals to f of x2. Okay, now the images are equal. Now here when we are taking the value of x1 is 2 and the value of x2 is 1 by 2, the condition is getting satisfied. So for the images, here images are equal but the elements are not equal. That's why f is not 1 1. Getting, we have taken this condition. That's why we can prove it as a 1 1, because we have to consider both the conditions. If x1 is equals to x2, that time it will be there, it is a 1 1 function. But simultaneously, whenever we are considering x1 into x2 equals to 1, that time the function is not 1 1. Getting? Here we notice f of x is not equal to 1 for any x belongs to R, because therefore 1 belongs to R from codomain does not have pre-image in domain set. So f is not onto. Here we have proved f is not onto because, see student, what we have defined the function f of x. So if f of 1 will be there, that time 1 upon 1 square plus 1, that will be 1 by 2. For any number belongs to the domain set, fx is not equal to 1. Therefore 1 is the only element in the codomain set that 1 is not having the pre-image. Means for all x belongs to the domain set, f of x is not equal to 1. So here number 1 is not having any pre-image in the domain set. So it is a sufficient condition for not to be onto function. Okay, so f is not onto, so f is not a bijective function. Getting? Now what we have to find? We have to find f composition g of x. Now what is fx equals to x upon x square plus 1 and gx is 2x minus 1. Now f composition g of x is equal to f of g of x. What is g of x? 2x minus 1. So f of 2x minus 1. Okay, now what is the function? fx variable upon variable square plus 1. Variable, what is the variable here? 2x minus 1. Now variable upon variable square plus 1. So what is f composition g of x? 2x minus 1 upon 4x square plus 4x plus 2. We can take out 2 from all the terms, but no need to write it because it will not get cancelled. So the answer will be 2x minus 1 upon 4x square plus 4x plus 2.